DOMA, Digital Operation and Maintenance Assistant. DOMA Augmented Reality Solutions for the Industries. We understand that every industry has unique challenges and requirements, and our DOMA solutions are tailored to meet these specific needs. From real-time guidance to interactive training and remote assistance, DOMA AR technology provides a comprehensive and customizable solution for industries looking to leverage the power of AR. DOMA offers a cutting-edge solution for industries looking to incorporate augmented reality (AR) technology into their operations. Our DOMA solutions are designed to enhance efficiency, safety, and productivity while reducing downtime and costs. If you're ready to take your industry to the next level with augmented reality technology, look no further than DOMA. Contact us today to learn more about our solutions and how we can help you achieve your goals.